I wanted to also mention for all of our Illinois listeners and viewers that Illinois is going to be requiring nursing breaks to be paid. Illinois legally required break time for employees to express breast milk for nursing infants previously under a bill that's effective January 1, 2026. That time must now be paid. It sounds simple enough, but I would expect probably, Phil, that there will be some sort of litigation over this because the amendment to the law, so it amends 820 ILCS 260/10, which is called break time for nursing mothers. The language that's been added says an employer shall compensate the employee during the break time at the employee's regular rate of compensation. An employer shall not require the employee to use paid leave during the break time or reduce the employee's compensation during the break time in any other manner. But here's the tough part, is it says an employer shall provide, and they've inserted the word paid into the statute, an employer shall provide paid reasonable break time as needed by the employee, unless to do so would create an undue hardship as defined elsewhere in the statute. So again, once you get into terms like reasonable break time and undue hardship, that's where litigation takes place. And so, right. Is 5 minutes sufficient? Is a half an hour reasonable? And so I expect there will be some litigation around that eventually. But Illinois employers, beware that nursing mothers who are in the workplace will be entitled to paid break time to express.
Yeah, and I can relate a little bit to this in today's real-time world. We have an explosion of children at the Brandt family farm, if you want to call it that, right? We have nursing mothers, my daughter and daughter-in-laws, and at this point, what I know, and as I'm learning as I go through this journey, Bert, as a grandfather, is like it's not the same amount of time for everybody, and that's what's going to make it really difficult, right? It's for one, it may be 5 minutes. For another, it might be 30 minutes, and I think we're going to have to consider that. One of the other questions I have that comes to mind is this in addition to my normal break?
Yeah, it's the statute is actually silent on that, whether it's additional time, but it does say that the break time may run concurrently with any break time already provided to the employee, but that's permissive. It may run concurrently.
Right. Because I'm thinking about, you have to provide a facility and all these things that we comply with today, now the time, and it's paid. And then, you still got to eat and take care of the individual and make sure they're going to be safe on the job as well.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly.
Facing complex employment law challenges? As an AIM member, you get direct access to Ogletree Deacon's top attorneys for expert guidance and defense. Call AIM at 800-948-5700 or visit aimea.org to engage expert workplace specialists today.